The Urban Crashers Reclaim Waste, Rebuild Communities, being presented by Mohammad Wahid, and my team members are Salmi Muhammad Isa, Suzari Abdul Rahim. This idea is being presented for pitch USM25. The construction and demolition waste accounts for 30% of all solid waste globally. If we talk about the Asian perspective, more than 50% of construction waste is either unprocessed or dumped in the landfill. If we talk about the Malaysian perspective, that counts for 8.3 million tons. Penang, Iceland having no exception at all. So the purpose and vision of Urban Crushers is reclaim waste, rebuild communities, transform CDW, that construction and demolition waste, into usable materials, provide affordable alternatives to virgin building materials, reclaiming building land and restoration to community purposes, generate green jobs, women and youth inclusive, and then community-led actions and circular economy, and definitely align with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So value proposition is zero cost to low cost CW collection and site clearance, high quality recycling materials, CSR backed public space creation, and volunteer citizen-led sustainability, women, youth, and unemployment engagement. Then urban hygiene will be improved and locally adapted and scalable micro models. That we introduce portable mobile units to crush and fix site crushing facilities, waste materials. Then test the upcycling process to convert crushable materials into usable aggregate pave blocks, the fillers, and land substitutes. So if we talk about the byproducts, this could be a concrete and brick, tiles and ceramics, timber and wood, metal, plastic, dust and fine grain, and reclaim sites. So there could be upcycling opportunity. So if we talk about the key stakeholders, local government and municipal bodies, private homeowners and landlords, construction companies, and CSR donors, NGOs, and sustainable development alliances, community dwellers, youth groups and volunteers, institution and eco club for education, product designers and material scientists, transportation and logistic partners definitely, and testing labs, recycling and mold manufacturing. The founder, the CEO, the operations manager, technical heads, product and design lead, and communication engagement leads, app and digital officers, and accountant and admin in these roles. So the key activity would be reporting of waste dump sites, volunteer onboarding, awareness and safety training, development of crushing units, fixed or mobile, material testing for strength and usability, production of byproducts, benches, tiles, and etc., and site clearing, community beautifications, promotion, reuse in local construction projects, sustainable development, impact tracking, storytelling, and media share. So the channels would be on-ground outreach, workshops, flyer, and mosque and school visits, digital social media presence, and local influencers will be utilized, CSR campaigns and storytelling, partnership with civic bodies and construction. So the cost structure is, for a single unit, that would be around 200,000 ringgits. So our revenue stream would be crushed aggregate tiles and benches, CW clearance packages, and CSR donors funding for site transformation projects. And some co-branding options are there, upcycling furniture to decor sales, educational kits must be paid, savings-based model with city councils, alignment of sustainability development goals and USM sustainability mission, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, decent work and economic growth, gender equality through women-friendly role and youth inclusiveness, good health and well-being, partnership for the goals. If you have any questions and queries, you can comment.